So you want to know how to remove your bumper cover, your back bumper cover from your 2013, 2012 Subaru. I don't know why I called it a Subaru, but anyway, a Subaru. It's very simple. The first thing you need to do, pop your hatch, take your tail lights out. If you don't know how to take your tail lights out, there's a video on my channel. Just go look for it, tap it in the search, and it should pop up. Or search for it on YouTube, either way. Second thing you want to do is go ahead and remove your wheel foils. They 4 screws. One here, here, and here. Okay, once you get your wheel foil took off, they clip underneath your bumper. Goes here. You need to pull that clip out. Once you get that, on the inside, there is a clip that you will have to remove. It's right here, and once you remove that, you can pull on your bumper, and it will just unsnap. Now you can be gentle and take a one-way and just massage these out to make them pop out easier, or you can just tug on it. Now this is what you should be left with, is pretty well your bumper removed. Now I recommend replacing these anytime you put a new bumper on it, because they sometimes don't like a snap in place. But to install your bumper, you want to follow the instructions backwards. Same way you took it off, just do it backwards. Now this is the bumper installed. To install it, you basically do the same thing you did to remove the bumper, and you know, it'll turn out great. So hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to the channel. Appreciate it if you do. Drop us some likes and some comments is always welcome. And I'll see you on the next video.